Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get Xaku in Warframe. Xaku is a modular Warframe known for their unique void-based abilities. To start, head to the market and search for Xaku. As you can see, Xaku's main blueprint is available for 325 credits. Purchase the main blueprint, then go to your navigation. From there, travel to Deimos. Go to the Necralisk. If it is not unlocked yet, you will need to unlock it first. Once unlocked, talk to Mother and access the Bounties menu. Check the bounty rewards to see which missions drop Xaku's component blueprints. The Neuroptics systems and chassis each drop from specific bounty missions. Run these bounties repeatedly until all 3 component blueprints drop. Drop rates are random, so you may need to repeat the mission several times. Once you have all 3 components and the main blueprint, go to your Foundry and craft each component first. Then combine them with the main blueprint to assemble Xaku. That's it. You've learned how to get Xaku by buying the main blueprint from the market and farming the required Deimos Bounties for all 3 component blueprints. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.